A prawn cocktail isn't just for Christmas, it's delicious all year round. Here's what you'll need to make mine. Surprisingly, some prawns. Stick of celery, carrot, tomato. You'll need some lemon juice, little lettuce. I like avocado in mine, delicious with prawns. Then for your sauce, you're going to need some ketchup, mayonnaise, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce, tomato puree, and optional, but adds a lovely spice and pep to it, some hot sauce. First thing we're going to do, prepare your veg, so give them a rinse and let's start chopping. First to go in for your base is your lettuce, so get that chopped up. And then into your mixing bowl. Obviously, I'm not doing these for a lot of people, but if you are, just increase your ingredients. Next into there, chop your celery up. And celery gives that lovely extra bit of crunch, as well as your lettuce. Next to go in is your carrot, and we're going to julienne them to give it its posh name, or little matchsticks for us. In other words, we're going to use a grater. Just give them a quick chop, and then throw them in there for another added bit of crunchiness. Then it's your tomatoes' turn. So, in with your tomato, which looks a bit like smoked salmon when it's in there. And last but not least, going in with half your avocado, half your lemon juice so that the avocado doesn't discolour. In with your prawns. Give them a good mix, and then you can put this to one side, and we're going to get on with the sauce. For your sauce, we're going in first with mayonnaise, which is the main part of your sauce really. About 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. A squirt of ketchup, you don't need as much ketchup. About 4 parts mayonnaise to 1 part ketchup. Then a squirt of your tomato puree, little dash of your Worcestershire sauce, and then your optional extra to give it a bit of pep, some hot sauce. A bit of salt, cracked black pepper, and finally the juice of half a lemon, and give them a good old mix round. And once it's looking something like that, you're ready to serve it up. You can serve it up in the classic way, which is fill a glass and then put your sauce on top, or what I like to do is fill a container, squash it in, and then tip it on the plate. All then that's left is to spoon your sauce onto it, and then get stuck in before everyone eats them all.